Welcome. The powerhouse of ultrasonic technology. For over 30 years, RTUL is a name associated with quality, trust and expertise in the field of ultrasonic instrumentation. Our vision is to provide sound solutions through innovations. 2001 certified company, RTUL takes great pride in being one of the few companies in the world having such a diversified portfolio of ultrasonic high-tech equipment such as ultrasonic plastic welding, precision cleaning, ultrasonic metal welding, non-destructive testing, sieving and sonochemical processing. Back from England with a doctorate in ultrasonic instrumentation, a young Dr. A.S. Trivedi decided to venture into manufacturing of ultrasonic equipment. In March 1982, Dr. Trivedi and Mrs. Rupa Trivedi formed Roop Ultrasonic Private Limited with a small manufacturing unit in Mumbai. Since then, the company has come a long way and established itself as the leader in the field of ultrasonic technology. In 1992, the company entered into a technical collaboration with Telsonic AG Switzerland, and Roop Ultrasonic Private Limited changed to Roop Telsonic Ultrasonic Limited. With persistence, hard work and a strategic business plan, RTUL paved its way for success, never letting go of its vision and obsession with quality. RTUL has a highly dedicated and skilled in-house team combined with the most modern manufacturing facilities at Gandhinagar in Gujarat and in Mumbai. Both the facilities consist of well-equipped application labs, tool rooms, machine shop, sophisticated testing and design centers, and high-tech laboratories with sophisticated measuring instruments. With several patents and trademarks in its name, RTUL continues to innovate in the manufacturing of off-the-shelf and custom-built ultrasonic solutions. With more than 250 dedicated members and still counting, the RTUL family is growing each day. RTUL has an extensive sales, service and support network throughout India with offices in Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Indore, Coimbatore and Pune. Today, RTUL boasts of its presence in more than 15 locations across the globe with subsidiaries in Thailand, Malaysia and Vietnam. The company's emphasis is always on delivering the latest ultrasonic in the industry. RTUL is honored to have a prestigious list of companies as its clients, both on national and international platforms. The trust and allegiance invested in us by our customers contributes hugely in our willingness to go that extra mile to cater to their needs. During initial consulting, RTUL's expert team looks into our customers' applications, working with them to ensure maximum efficiency and innovation. RTUL's welding equipment is used across diverse industrial and consumer applications to join together materials, usually non-ferrous metals or thermoplastics, including automotive, electronics, appliances, packaging, solar, telecommunication, textile, medical, and many more. RTUL offers a wide selection of welding equipment and installations, which, with respect to generator performance, range of welding force, frequency of operation, and precision parameter settings, efficiently satisfies your specific application requirements. The customers of RTUL count widely on our astute and insightful assessment of welding applications and also on our cost-effective customized welding solutions. When it comes to precision cleaning, we at RTUL guarantee the highest level of cleanliness. RTUL offers a wide range of off-the-shelf and custom-built ultrasonic precision cleaning equipment. Ultrasonic precision cleaning can remove all kinds of contamination such as chips, mud, grinding and polishing residue, as well as oil and grease. The scope of application ranges from cleaning the movement of a watch to overhauling the engines of a jumbo jet. A great advantage is the fact that even seemingly inaccessible areas can be cleaned. Ultrasonic precision cleaning is often used in cleaning of automotive components, surgical and hospital equipment, watches and jewelry, lenses, hard disk drives, and several electronic and mechanical components. RTUL also offers facility for contract manufacturing for manufacturers who are looking for reliable and consistent quality products at competitive cost. One such contract for manufacturing cleaning system for a well-known industrial cleaning system provider, Dürr EcoClean Germany, is under progress since 2005. RTUL is a leading manufacturer of ultrasonic NDT equipment. The company has achieved a very high standard and leadership in the design and production of ultrasonic transducers and testing equipment. All these instruments utilize ultrasonic sound waves to examine the internal integrity of metals, plastics, and composite materials. RTUL manufactures a wide range of microprocessor-based equipment in this range. These instruments have been used in the industries since more than 25 years and are acclaimed as one of the best in Asia. In the field of ultrasonic liquid processing, various processes can be influenced by a modern ultrasonic technology. Numerous chemical and physical processes can be performed, such as disruption of cells, particle size reduction, viscosity reduction, dispersions, homogenizing of liquids, atomization, degassing of liquids, and herbal extraction. Using the ultrasonic technology, you can revolutionize your screening procedure. Not only can the screening procedure be accelerated radically, up to 30 times more than usual, also the mesh quality and its lifetime can be increased. Whether it is bulk drugs for pharmaceutical industry, metal powders, eyeshadow for beautifying women, or saffron for the gourmet chef, the technology invented and patented by Telsonic in 1994 can improve throughput and the quality of products using SonoScreen.